Hi, let's discuss the solution of the given integral. Here, what is the given integral? Integral dx by x into square root of x power 4 minus 1 dx. In the given problem, what is the integrand? 1 by x into square root of x power 4 minus 1. By using the substitution method, our task is to eliminate the square root. First, let me write the given integral. Solution. The given integral dx by x into square root of x power 4 minus 1 dx. Now, which one we need to substitute? Which variable? Means x square or x cube, x power 4 is there, x is there. So, before going to substitution in competitive exams, first let us observe the options also. See, suppose if I observe the options, there is a secant, tan is there. It would be better to substitute x equal to secant or something or tan. Now I am going to take x square equal to secant theta. So that it becomes finally secant square theta minus 1. Square root of secant square theta minus 1 equals to square root of tan square theta, which is equals to tan theta simply. So let me substitute x square equals to secant theta, right? So this implies derivative with respect to x on both sides. 2x dx equals to derivative of secant theta. Secant theta into tan theta d theta, right? So this implies we require x dx. Finally 1 by 2 secant theta, right? Tan theta d theta. Now I am going to substitute. First, before going to substitution, we are going to readjust the given integrand as integral. So I require x dx. So multiply and divide with x in both the numerator and denominator. So x dx by x square into square root of, what is x power 4? X power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus 1. That's it. Now in the next step, I am going to substitute the available values. What is that? X dx. X dx equals to half secant theta tan theta. Half secant theta into tan theta d theta by x square. X square means how much? Secant theta, right? Secant theta into square root of x square equal to secant theta. X square whole square means secant square theta minus 1, which is equals to half, you can write outside. Now what has remained? Secant theta, right? Tan theta d theta by secant theta I am going to write in the denominator as is square root of secant square theta minus 1, which is equals to square root of tan square theta, means tan theta. Finally I am getting tan theta, right? So fortunately here secant theta tan theta gets cancelled. Finally we are getting half into t, not d theta. So let me write d theta here, d theta. So which is equals to integral constant means x. So I am going to write here variable is theta. So let me write theta plus c. This is the constant of integration. Now what is the value of theta? So here we assumed x square equals to secant theta. So this implies theta equal to secant inverse of x square, right? So this is the theta value. Now let me substitute half into secant inverse of x square plus c. This is the final conclusion. Now let us compare with the given options. So what are the given options here? See, 1 by 2. No, there is no n by 2. This is incorrect. So here B, the option B is 1 by 2 secant inverse of x square. Yes, exactly, this is the correct option. Rest of the options are incorrect. So at last, what is the key concept we used here? Simply substitution method, and at the same time before going to substitute we observed the given options also. So as per the options we took substitution method. If anything is available you can take, but you have to keep in mind you have to get one of these answers. Thanks for watching. All the best.